Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hello, Judy. It is so nice to see you today.
Hello, John. It is good to see you too. You look very serious today. Is something on your mind?
Well, yes. I was reading the news this morning on my phone. I saw 3 letters many times. E, S, and G. Everyone is talking about ESG. I feel a bit lost. Is it a new type of computer or a secret club?
Oh, I see. No, it is not a secret club, John. But it is very important for our world. ESG stands for 3 words: environment, social, and governance.
Wow, those are long words. Can we break them down? What is the E?
Of course, the E stands for environment. Think about our planet. It is about how a company treats nature. Does the company create too much trash? Do they use clean energy? Or do they help plant more trees?
Oh, so if a coffee shop stops using plastic straws and uses paper straws, is that the E?
Exactly. That is a perfect example. They want to protect the earth. Now, let us look at the S. S is for social. This is about people.
People? Like the customers?
Yes, and the workers too. Does the company pay their workers a fair salary? Are the workers happy and safe? Do they treat everyone equally, no matter who they are?
I understand. So, if a company is kind to its employees and helps the local community, that is the S part of ESG.
You got it. You are a fast learner, John.
Thank you, Judy. But what about the last letter? What is G? You said it is governance? That sounds like a very difficult word.
Think of governance as the rules of a company. It is about how a company is led. Is the boss honest? Do they follow the law? Do they tell the truth about their money? It is about being fair and open.
Oh, so it is like the personality or the heart of the company. If they are honest and follow the rules, they have good governance.
That is a very good way to put it, John. It is the heart of how a business works.
But Judy, why is everyone talking about this now? Why do countries and big companies care so much about ESG? In the past, I thought companies only cared about making money.
Well, you are right. For a long time, money was the only goal. But the world is changing. People now realize that if we only care about money and hurt the environment, we will not have a planet left to live on.
That makes sense. We need a healthy earth to do business.
Right. Also, many people now prefer to buy things from good companies. If a company is bad to its workers, people might stop buying their products. So, being good is actually good for business.
Oh. So if they follow ESG, they might actually make more money in the long run because people trust them more?
Precisely. Also, many governments are making new laws. They tell companies they must show their ESG reports. They want to make sure companies are not just talking, but actually doing good things.
Wow, so ESG is like a report card for how a company treats the world and people.
Exactly. It is a report card for the planet and society. It helps us see which companies are responsible.
This is very interesting. I used to think companies were just big buildings. Now I see they have a big responsibility.
They really do. And as customers, we have power too. We can choose to support companies that have high ESG scores.
I will look for those 3 letters more often now. Thank you for explaining this so clearly, Judy. I feel much smarter now.
You are very welcome, John. It is always fun to talk about these things with you.
Well, I think it is time for a coffee. I will look for a shop that uses paper straws.
That is a great start. Let us go.
Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.